to fix no sound output error in Windows 11. So hey guys, welcome to this tutorial. In this tutorial, I'll be guiding you through the exact steps on how you can fix any no sound error from your Windows computer. So the first thing that you're going to do is obviously verify your hardware, especially if you are having any external speakers or headset, and if they are wired, check if they work with other devices as well, because most of the problems also occur with the hardware as well. But in case you are sure that the hardware is perfectly all right, you can check the ports as well. And then we will move on to check the configurations. To do that, go to the settings and simply type in settings onto the search bar. And once you're inside the settings, you can click onto the system settings. And within the system settings, you can see sound. So click onto the sound option, and from here, verify that the correct speakers are selected. You can click here, and from here you can check for driver updates as well. So from here you can check if there are any drivers update. If you do not find any driver or Windows update, you can again come back to the sound option, and from here check if the volume is increasing or decreasing. If it is not, what you can do is simply go down, and from here click onto the more sound settings, and it will open an dialog box like this. Now from here you can see that the speakers are correctly set. You can also choose to configure them, like if you can see that the stereo is working properly or not. So you can test it, and you can go to their properties, and from here you can use this option, that is use this device, which is enabled. And apart from that, you can also see that the sound level is not set to 0. And apart from that, you also have the advanced mode, so you can make sure that this is the default format. And apart from that, if it support for special audio, try turning it off and on again, because sometimes that is also a barrier within the same. Now, even if that works, you can also try running diagnostics like the sound or the audio diagnostic. To do so, what you're gonna need to do is simply that you go to the system settings again, and within the settings you can see this option, that is troubleshoot. So click on to troubleshoot, and from here choose other troubleshoots, and from here run this audio troubleshooter, and hopefully your issues will be fixed. So that was all for this tutorial. Thanks for watching and have a nice day.